The suggestion that Philip Valerius Wanda could be appointed to the Ministry of Lands must be rejected outright. Zimbabwe cannot entrust its land, records, and mineral future to a figure whose name is inseparable from elite, capture, secrecy, and unaccounted power. Sarapita mashoko anokudacha eri ejebu kuna Philip Valerius Wanda. Remember subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipila unamu udonyo kwa mchinze. Valerius Wanda has been sold to the public as an upright man. Many Zimbabweans bought the lies. In Valerius Wanda, I see Ellen Baron operating within a closed network that treats the state as private property. His name continues to surface around land grabs, crime-rich areas such as Mapinga, and opaque foreign partnerships, particularly with Chinese interests, while citizens are dispossessed and excluded from their own economy. What remains deliberately hidden from the Zimbabweans is the depth of the relationship linking Valerius Wanda, Dakosh Tagore, and Emmerson Mnangagwa, a tightly bound family and patronage axis that merges military authority, political power, and private wealth. Persistent claims within political and security circles allege that Wanda personally benefited a luxury property in the northern suburbs bought by Tagore as a gift at a time when Zimbabwe National Army personnel were providing security for Tagore's private security as approved by Valerio and Emmerson Mnangagwa. This is not governance, it is abuse of office and the conversion of a national army into a private guard force. August 2018 remains an unburied truth. Civilian blood was spilled, accountability was buried, and silence was enforced. The same system that protected perpetrators and erased responsibilities now seeks control of the Ministry of Lands, a ministry capable of destroying records, legalizing looting, and permanently transferring fertile land and mineral claims into the hands of a few. This appointment is not administrative, it is strategic. The liberation struggle was not fought to replace Mugabe with another family empire. It was not fought so that Zimbabweans would be poorer, landless, jobless, and afraid while foreign nationals are prioritized for opportunities in their own country. Today, Zimbabwe is drowning in drugs, poverty, and unemployment, where Mnangagwa and Wanda create space for Chinese nationals at the direct expense of Zimbabweans. Naye Mumbire, hanzvadzi yenyu Mukanya Chiwenga, ngozi yamakati batira yembavha nemhondi dzekwaZimbabwe Tagore nemadzisawira avo anavenekwa isu sedzinza mati todiko nekuti isu Vambire tinotya ngozi. Ndo mashoko opedzisira anosiwa ataurwa panguva ino naKerna Mujati vachachibloka Philip Valerius Wanda. Pena comment section medu dzofundo imo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.